when life hurts. Look, life is painful. Life contains 35% of joy and 65% of tears. And it only depends how strong you are. Listen, by looking into your eyes, the way you respond and react, I see the pain inside of you. And I don't want to know what is wrong or what happened. Because what makes you cry, it's because you can't spit it out. It's because you trust no one to share with. It's because you are not stronger enough to go through it. But remember, everything in life has an opposite. If you cry right now, you're gonna laugh tomorrow. Life is not an easy thing, and life is not an hard thing. All of what is around you, some of it is hard to control. All of bad things and bad people around you, it's hard to understand them. All actions you take only cause stress that leads to depression. But failure doesn't mean take your life. I know there are people who pretend as friends, but in real, they are your enemies. In life, there are people who want you to put your trust on them. And when you do so, they show you their backs. But it is enough. No more pretending, no more begging. No more pretending like you are okay when you are not. Just wake the beast mode. If you wanna know who you are, first put yourself in you and encourage someone out there who is thinking of quitting. I mean someone who has been praying for years for the table to turn, for the wheel to roll, for the river to flow, for the trees to grow. Encourage that person. Give him some hopes that one day she or he will make it. I know you feel like this is the end, but listen to me. I'm about to give you something. Please listen to me, because this might help you. In life, you only have two choices. You have a choice to either give up or keep going, but I need you to stay in. If you fail, try again and again and again, because failure is just an event, not a person. Listen, keep going, because your greatest moments won't always come in the greatest moment, but it will always come in your greatest defeats. So don't stop, just follow your dreams. Stay encouraged. Listen, you are not born skilled, but born willed. I mean, when going get tough, tough get going. In life, other challenges are painful and other challenges are painless, but all are priceless.